In this video, I'm going to show you how to add chat to WordPress without plugins.
So to stay on topic with this video and follow the no plugin approach while still adding WhatsApp to your site, you'll need to insert WhatsApp manually into each post using the native Gutenberg editor. Let me show you how. So on the left side of my WordPress dashboard, I'm going to come down to post, add new post, and I'm going to type the title of my new post. My title. So that's going to be the title of my new post, and I'm going to add a paragraph here. So I'm just going to get some dummy text. I'm going to just type here lorem ipsum. So I'm just going to take this one here. I'm just copying some dummy text. I'm going to copy, I'm going to close this out, and I'm just going to paste this dummy text here. Next thing I'm going to do is to add another element, perhaps a video. So I'm just going to embed a YouTube video. So let me just head over to YouTube and look for a video, any video. So I'm just going to use this one here, and I'm going to share and copy the link for it. I'm just going to close this out, and I'm going to come here and paste it, embed, and I have a video on my new post. Next thing I'm going to do here is to add a button. So I'm just going to hit the plus sign again, add block, and I'm going to insert a button. So the button has been created, and the button is going to say contact us. Now I'm just going to edit this button to change the color. So I'm just going to head over to the styles option on the right, and as you can see, color, it has a text color and a background color. I want to leave the text color in white, so I'm just going to go down to the background color, and from here I can choose a color that is similar to WhatsApp. So let's say it's this one. Next step is to insert the link. So we have to paste a link here so that people can contact us through WhatsApp. So in order to do that, I'm going to use this format here where I have to enter a phone number and enter a message. So I'm just going to enter my phone number here, starting with my country code. And here I'm going to type my message, and that message is going to say, I need more info. Now I'm just going to copy this information and paste it in the field inside WordPress. So I'm back to WordPress, and what I'm going to do is to paste that link here, and I am going to hit the submit button. So I've submitted the link to this button, and what I'm going to do is to publish the post. So I'm going to hit publish here again, and as you can see, post published. And I'm going to jump on my mobile device and see how it works. So now I've gone to my mobile device, and I'm going to open up my WordPress website. And as you can see, I have the my title post that I just created, and it does have the dummy text and the video that I use, but it also has the contact us button. So what I'm going to do is to touch this contact us button, and technically it should open up on WhatsApp so that the person will receive a message. So I'm just going to do that now, and it goes straight to WhatsApp, and on the bottom it says I need more info. So this definitely works. All I have to do now is to hit the green arrow, and the message has been sent.
So as you can see, that is how easy it is to add WhatsApp chat to WordPress without plugin. But stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.